It's been 3 years since I bought the Koda 16 pizza oven, and I share my thoughts covering the advantages and disadvantages of using this oven over the last few years. Let's do it. When I first considered buying this oven, I was a bit worried about how I'd manage flames coming at my pizza from two sides from the L-shaped burner. I thought it would increase my chances of burning the pizza. What I actually found was that it made my pizza cook a lot easier and quicker. There was no issue at all. The stone area is nice and large. Let's look at the oven structure. After 3 years, it still looks like new, and the heat of the oven hasn't coloured or changed the powder-coated steel in any way. The pizza stone and stainless steel body are really easy to clean after use. Simply let the oven cool down, remove any food residue and wipe it clean. I just dust the oven down and I don't need to clean the inside. The only downside is that the stone can't be turned to the back due to its shape, so it takes a bit longer for the debris to burn off the front area. After use, once it's cooled down, I just turn the stone over. I found the oven to cook my pizza fast and it's easy to set up. It has a simple and user-friendly gas dial on the side, which is easier to reach than a dial at the back for me. The dial works well, and with a slight turn, you can easily adjust the gas flow flame size for your perfect cooking temperature. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to get your pizza cooking in no time. I've had no problems with this gas burner. It's still working fine, no issues, and required no replacements. So everything on this oven is as it was when I bought it 3 years ago. The inside of the oven is bright when the gas is on, and this gives you a better view of the crust cooking on the side and the back. This makes it so much easier to monitor your pizza cooking. The shape of the oven is quite square, so when you're carrying it through doors, you may have to lean sideways a bit. The Koda 16 isn't as lightweight like the 12-inch pizza ovens, however, it can be carried with the stone removed. I wouldn't want this oven to be any heavier than it is. I struggle with the Crew 16 with the stone removed, so this is as heavy as I would want a portable 16-inch oven to be. The Koda 16 isn't the cheapest option out there. It's an investment, but if you're serious about pizza making, it's definitely worth it. The wispy gas flame does a really good job at replicating a wood flame, and that's perfect for creating a lovely Neapolitan style pizza. As there's no temperature side dial, you will need to invest, if you haven't already, in a good quality infrared thermometer. Having accessories like that will make your pizza making journey much easier. And also, practice makes perfect, so if you're having problems with your dough, check out my how to make pizza dough video, and I share my pizza dough recipe for high heat pizza ovens, and check out my Ooni Koda 16 playlist where I have made a lot of real-time pizza cooks. Overall, this oven is a really good oven. It's my go-to gas pizza oven. Because it's got a large cooking stone area, it's bright inside, and it's easy to use. It's been a great investment, and I would highly recommend this oven if you are new to pizza cooking or an advanced pizza cook. Experience the cheesy goodness of my pizza-themed notebooks and daily planners, uniquely crafted by me. Available on Amazon with a link waiting for you in the video description. Grab yours today. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.